Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoedoc Review Series, where we will explore the world of quality shoes for men. We will cover general shoe care and knowledge, review the brands you love, and introduce you to brands that you've never heard of. So get yourself ready, and let's dive right into today's unboxing video. Alright my friends, it's time for another unboxing video. Now this is my second pair of shoes from Yearn Shoemaker. This is a hole-cut Oxford with a hand-dyed patina on their YO2 last. My previous pair was on a square last. This is more of a classic rounded last. Let's check these out. I don't recall previously them having this cloth overlaying the shoes. Really nice touch. That's beautiful. I do remember their shoe bags being exceptionally nice though. Love this material. Tell you what, let's pull both of them out. Ooh, this is beautiful. Let's get the other one out. Wow, wow, wow. These look incredible. And actually they did have a shoehorn in there. It had kind of slid to the bottom. Nice solid metal shoehorn. Let's take a look at these absolutely beautiful shoes. So this is a hole-cut Oxford. Again, it's their rounded toe last. Maybe a little more universally loved compared to the square last, which is pretty bold. But man, these things are so sleek. I love how it tapers in on this edge. That is beautiful. The patina work is fantastic. I also love this sole edge, how it juts out here. It's not quite a spade sole. It's almost like a rounded spade, but definitely some nice curves to that sole. Looking at the underside, the sole work is incredible. Brass nails in the toe. Love this rounded waist. So it's not a fiddleback with that sharp edge. But on this shoe, I really like this kind of rounded waist. I'd say better. It fits the kind of curvaceousness of the shoe itself. I like the flat laces. Everything about these looks wonderful. So these are hand lasted, hand welted, made in China, but they are doing some really incredible work. The stitch density on the uppers is really high. The stitch density on the sole is really high. And again, it's a closed channel stitching on these. Just kind of looking them over, see if I notice any flaws, and honestly I do not. A couple other little design details. Notice it's got this tapered heel or a pitched heel, so see how that goes with the contour of the uppers. That looks beautiful. How tight the uppers are to that sole. You know, the sole doesn't stick out much at all towards the back, but towards the front end, you know, that sole edge sticks out a little bit. And really these are, I would say, perfectly wearable right out of the box. I'm going to put a little bit more shine on them. Completely unnecessary. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, the YO2 last. This is their hole-cut Oxford. And this is not a patina that they had on the website. It's something that I asked for specifically, so they are able to do some custom work. And these are typically $480 on their website, which I think is well worth it for the amount of detail and quality work that they're doing. Let's get them shined up. All right, we've got our Saphir Mirror Gloss here. We're going to use that to shine these. All right, put a little extra shine on these. Quite happy with where we're at. Don't think I'm gonna put any more shine on them, but Yearn Shoemaker, relatively new emerging brand. I absolutely recommend. This shoe is absolutely stunning. I love it. The color, the shape, everything. And honestly, I don't even know if the camera can pick it up. There's so much to this last shape. It's just so curvaceous. It's like a Ferrari. I feel that you would almost have to hold the shoe in the hand to truly appreciate all the different curves and aspects to it. But the YO2, I think that is my new favorite last shape for Yearn. These are stunning. Definitely check out the brand. Hopefully you like this unboxing. Like, subscribe, share it with your shoe-loving friends. We'll see you on the next one.